What you doing, Henrietta? Oh, you don't like the camera? You don't want nobody to bother your bus, do you? Okay, you don't like the camera? Okay, get your bus. Get your bus. Get your bus. Oh, it needs a new battery for that part of it. Oh, that part won't go on. Here, want me to help you? There you go. Oh, it needs a new battery, Henry. Push it like this. There you go. Wheels on the bus go round and round all through the town. Go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all through the town. Tap it harder. Tap it harder. What? You good boy? Aw, you're not a good boy anyway, are you? You're a good girl, yeah. Aw, let's turn you. Oh, you love your bus. There you go. You love your bus, don't you? Yeah. Aw. Aw. Get your bus. Hello. Aww. Hello. Hello. Say, come here. You don't like the camera, do you? Okay, I'll put it back here. Okay, I'll put it back here, Henry. There we go. I'll zoom it in like that. There you go. Say hello. 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 Say come here. Come here. You a good boy, huh? Yeah, we started calling him good, teach him a good boy, and then he laid an egg, so. Yeah. Good girl, Henrietta. Aww. Nice bus, yeah. Aww. Okay, enjoy your bus.